Today, we're going to take a look at downloading Votcall Go Mobile. Start by going to your App Store and under Search, type in Votcall, Votacall, and hit Search. You're looking for the Votcall Go icon with the 3 rings at the top of the cloud and no orange border. The orange border is for one of our older apps that's still available to some clients. Hit the download icon. Once you download the app, you'll open it, and you'll arrive on this screen. If your admin has provided you Votcall login name and password, you'd enter it in here. Typically, we like to use the Office 365 or Google logins, so I'll log in with Office 365 by clicking the icon at the bottom. You'll then log in. This is asking me if Votcall Go can send me notifications. Please allow. You may also get asked to use your microphone, which you should also approve, or to access your contacts, which you may or may not want to do depending on your preferences. If it does access your contacts, it doesn't actually load your contacts into the app. It just allows you to call your contacts that are stored on your device from your work number using the application.